Hello, my name is Cherry Machado. I'm just showing you my program. This is my third program that I have to deliver for this semester. It's about an expense and budget control system. I did it in React and TypeScript, and I used TailwindsCSS for styling. And as you can see right here, this is my GitHub repository where I have my program. I would like to say that for this program specifically, I work with Context API in React to improve performance globally in the program and not to call props at any time. I also created a custom hook to concentrate the different actions in one place and implemented memo instead of use callback to readability. And I used local storage to save the data instead of a database. I would like to show the code a little bit. This is my code in Visual Studio. As you can see right here, I created this program in React using TypeScript also to work with the backend. And I created some component in here. This component is just to do all the action that I needed. I also created an hooks. As you can see right here, huge budget. This hook, a reducer, because in this reducer helped me to do all the action that I needed to do in my program. So let me show how the program is running. I'm gonna come back to my repository, and here you have two links. One link is to go to see the system deployment, and here is to see the demo video. Let's see, open right here just to see the program. This is my program, and as you can see here, there is a expenses planner here. You can set right here. You can put a budget, for instance, the $500. You set the budget right here, and then you can, once you put the money in there, you can see here it's a reset button just to restart the program in case you need it. The system gonna show you like a graphic right here. It's a circular graphic that's gonna show you your budget, the money you have available, and the spend that you do. And as you can see right here, you can, in this button right here, you can push the button, clicking here just to add some expenses. For instance, you can add for food. Let's see, and you want to add a sandwich. You eat a sandwich and it costs $25, and you can select a category of the sandwich is a food, and the expense date you're gonna be the today. Or you can click in here just to see it's a calendar for today. Register, and that's it. Once you register, you're gonna move the graphic right here for the 5% that you spend on your budget, and you can see here this is the food sandwich in here. So you can add one more. Let's see, you're gonna go into the movie, to the movie theater, and you paid $80 for instance. Then the category is that you have entertainment, and for today register, and here is going to add the same, and you will see the next item expenses right here. Let's add one more in here. You click in here, then you add let's see that you're gonna go to the park, and you spend $100 in there. Just select category entertainment also, and the same day, or you going and you register the expense, and that's it. And let's add one more. Let's see that you add one more, and you wanna go to pay the cable, and you pay $120, and you pay for subscriptions. And this is the table of let's see, Netflix. Pay the Netflix the next 21, and you register. That's it. So in here you can see all the expenses that you paid. Then you can edit any payment that you don't want. For instance, right here, you just push and move to here. I'm going to appear a modal. And in this modal, you will see the payment. And you can change the amount for 100 you want. You say the changes, and you see the 100 here. And also, you can, for instance, this movie, this one, you can eliminate right here. And you see that all the amount is updated in here. So in this way, you control all the expenses that you have. And let's see that you want to see all the expenses that you have for category. You have a filter in here. You click in here, just want to see all the saving. When you don't have nothing, any item in there, no expenses added to it. If you have any food, here is the food that you have, the expenses in food. Entertainment, you want to see entertainment, and let's see the subscription. Here it is. And if you want to see all the expenses, just to show all of them, and there it is. For instance, you wanna buy a car, for instance, and you pay $245. Category, it's a miscellaneous expense. You register it, 98%. What about you have 10 available? If you spend the available that you have in here, you pay a toy. You buy a toy, it's gonna cost $10. then miscellaneous, and you register. You wanna see right here, I spent 100%. So that's amazing. I really enjoyed this program. So this is my program, this is my project, and that's it. Thank you very much.